Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate everyone. You all are welcome again to this channel. Today's hairstyle is a different hairstyle for the naturalistas. These hairstyles are dedicated for those who want to get married. Are you getting married soon? Congratulations. Or you want to do your anniversary or a birthday, or you have a very big celebration you really want to do. So here in Wendy Styles we have gorgeous beautiful short hairstyles for the natural queen who wants to look super cute with their beautiful natural hairstyles. Those hairstyles are bridal natural hairstyles. They are easy do-it-yourselves for the black brides to use as an inspiration for the upcoming wedding day or for the great D-Day. So today in Wendy Styles we have natural hairstyles for brides, with those that love the very low cut to bad, and those with the fussy hairstyles. Okay, those hairstyles are captivating. Those hairstyles are easy hairstyle everyone can have. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here in Wendy Styles. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your mind in the comment section below. I love all these hairstyles. They are so superb, gorgeous hairstyles. We can imagine their excitement and desire to really look awesome a big day. So the choice of a wedding hairstyle is as important as the choice of your bridal gown. And besides, these two should be in harmony with each other and the style of your wedding. Every bride has her own likings and preferences, individual hair texture and length, but there are so many stunning black wedding hairstyles today. This shouldn't be any problem for brides to choose something that will duly reflect their beauty. So today we are really showcasing you guys beautiful healthy short hairstyles for beautiful bride. These are traditional and elegant, innocent and romantic, chic and glamorous, beautiful conventional hairstyles that will bring out the best of your beauty and will make you look like the best African bridal. So let me allow you guys to watch those inspirational hairstyles and get ready to bring out any of those looks to life. Okay, I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys and see you at the end of the video.
Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know you belong to the stars. You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I'ma never meet up, baby, but I'll keep on trying. But deep down I know I'ma never meet up, but I will keep on trying. If you need to go somewhere else, you can. If you need to love someone else, it's fine. Deep down I know I can never meet up. Deep down I know you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You can go and be happy. I'ma let you go be happy. You deserve more than I can ever give. You deserve. I know say you get toasters, many in the Benz. Say me all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down I know that's not enough. If you need to go, be happy. If you need to go, be happy. If you need to go, be happy. Deep down I feel bad, but I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. Deep down I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I've been told that love is about sacrifices. I didn't know that the time will come for mine. Oh, it hurts so bad. Now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go be happy. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be alone, but that's just fine. You deserve. I know now you get a home, and I'm gonna be alone, but that's just fine. But that's just fine. Angel, angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know you belong to the stars. You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I might never meet up, baby, but I'll keep on trying. But deep down I know I might never meet up, but I will keep on trying. If you need to go somewhere else, you can. If you need to love someone else, it's fine. Deep down I know I can never meet up. Deep down I know. And you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. And you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You can go and be happy. I'ma let you go be happy. You deserve more than I can ever give.